Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add a card to Klarna. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Klarna and make sure that you have logged into your account. So once you have logged into your account and you're on your account app here, so what are you going to do if you want to add a card? Just hit on the U tab here on your bottom right, go to the U tab, and then here on your top right you will see a settings icon, so click on it. Once you get to settings icon, scroll down and you will see payment methods. Click on payment methods, and then here you will be able to see all the cards that you have stored. And if you have not stored anything, if you want to add a card, this is where you're going to go. So you go to simply hit on the plus button, add a card. So click on that, and then all you have to do now here is you go to provide your card details. So once these loads, you have to provide your card number and all those details. So once you provide this and hit on add card, and that's it, your card would be added. Like mine here, so I have this is my card here that I've already added, so my card will be added. So that's it. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.